My dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. This is your subject teacher of mathematics. So, my dear students, today I am here again with a revision of chapter number 4, Understanding Multiplication. So, students, in this unit we are going to discuss about multiplication. In our previous video, we had studied about the topics addition, subtraction. Now we are going to practice multiplication. So students, first of all, do you understand about multiplication? Students, repeated addition is called multiplication, and the sign of multiplication is like this. So students, let's begin the chapter. How many groups? How many in each group? So students, here we are going to find how many groups and how many in each group. So after that, how many in all. So students, in first picture there is a two group of two birds. So students here this is first group of bird and this is second group of bird. In first group there is two bird and in second group there is also two groups. So it means two equal group of two birds. So students, when we add 2 and 2, we get 4 in all. So there are 4 birds in all. Students, addition fact is 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and multiplication for 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now in next, second one, there are two equal group of 6 butterfly. Sorry students, there are 4 equal groups of 3 butterfly. It means there are total 12 butterfly in all. So here in addition fact, you can write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 12. It means you have to write 4 times 3, or you have to add 4 times 3. Then you get 12. Multiplication fact, 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. So students, similarly, in third one, there are 3 equal group of 4 butterfly. That means there are total number of honeybee is 12. So addition fact, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. And multiplication fact, 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. So there is 3 equal groups of 4 honeybee. That means 12 honeybee in all. Now fourth, there are 2 equal groups of 5 mice. So there are total 10 mice in all. Addition fact, 5 plus 5, 10, and multiplication fact, 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now students, let's move on to our first topic, that is multiplying by 2. So students, here picture of leaf is given here. There is a pair of leaf. So how many pairs of leaf are there? There are 6 pair of leaf. It means 2 is added 6 times, then we get 12 repeated addition. Fact. Now students, 6 groups of 2 each makes 12. So 2 is added 6 times to make 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. So in multiplication form we can we write 6 multiplied by 2. So the multiplication fact is 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Means 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. So 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12 is read as 6 times 2 is 12, or 6 2's are 12, or 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, or 6 into 2 is 12. So we can read this multiplication in this form. Now I can do it. Students, there are 2 in a pair. Here how many pairs of balloon? 5. So students, 5 group of 2 balloons each makes 10 balloons in all. Multiplication fact, 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now there are 7 pair of leaf. It means 7 groups of 2 leaves each makes 14 leaves in all. Multiplication fact, 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. Similarly, in third, you can do the same process. Now students, let's come to the exercise 4.1. So let's do some practice. Complete the table. Students, here a table is given. We are going to complete this. Look here. Numbers of groups. So students, here in first column there is a pair of flower. 1 pair of flower, and here 2 pair of flower, here 3 pair of flower, and here 4 pair of flower. So students, here in first numbers of group, so in first column how many groups are there? 1 group. So here you have to write 1. And in second column there are 2 groups. In third, 3 groups. In fourth, 4 groups. Now in second one, how many flowers in a group? There are 2 flowers in first group. There are 4 flowers in second group, and there are 6 flowers in third group, and there are 8 flowers in fourth group. Now students, flowers in all, here 2 flowers in this group, 4 flower, 6 flower, 8 flower. Now students, we are going to write repeated addition fact. 1 plus 1, 2 equals to 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. It means 3 times 2 equals to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 8. Now multiplication fact. 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. And 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. And 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Now students, let's come to the exercise number 4.3. Question number A. Write the multiplication fact. So students, in this picture, there is two group of watermelons. So here 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now in next, there are 7 groups of 2 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. So there are total 14 cherries. In next, 5 group of 2 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. Now in next, 4 group of 2 footballs. That means 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. So there are total 8 football. In fifth, 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 toffees. It means 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now students, question number B. Write the correct number in the given circle. So students, write the multiplication fact. So here rabbit, look here, a rabbit 6 jumps of 2 steps each to get 12. It means 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. Now in second, this frog jumps 9 times of 2 steps. So students, from 0 he started 1 jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and he reached at 18. It means 9 jumps of 2 steps each. So 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. Now similarly in third one, 5 jumps of 2 each step. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. So students, this was the concept of multiplication. To write the multiplication fact on number line. So I hope you understood about multiplication very clearly by the help of this video. In our next video, we will discuss about our next topics like doubles, multiplying by 5, skip count by 5 and the other remaining topics related to this unit. Now students, do practice all the exercises on your PC copy and learn the tables, multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet soon in our next video. Bye and take care. Thank you, students.